Okay, we are December 19th with the 2012 Dodge Ram 3500, and we're going to pull the condenser and intercooler out to give it a good old wash. But it looks like I was going to pull the bumper, but there's two bolts down there that need to go that way, and the intercooler hits it, so don't pull the bumper. I had to pull the radiator and the fan, but what's going to have to happen is this core support here on top, I'm going to have to at least raise it about 4 inches to get the rest of this intercooler out. Dodge Ram. Alright, I'm back with this Dodge here. I did have to do a couple little changes from the original plan. I was going to try to raise and remove this guy, but there was just too much involved. There was a procedure that calls for removing the bumper, but the one main issue that I ran into was that I couldn't get the bolts that hold the bumper, because the intercooler is right here and you can't get them out. But what I ended up doing was, once the radiator was out, I was able to loosen this cooler out of the way, to where it allowed me to move the intercooler further out of the way to get these bolts out. I only took the one on the passenger side all the way off and pried the bumper over, and I just only loosened the one on this side to give me enough to get the intercooler out from the front. So loosen the bumper and remove the steering cooler out of the way, and it lets you get these bolts out to loosen the bumper. That way you don't have to get to the hard ones. Other than that, I did find a wore out belt and tensioner. Plenty of room now. Yeah, over here I did pull the radiator intercooler out, and I am hosing out the dirt and junk on this thing. Oh, quite a bit of dirt still. I passed through the bottom already, and you can see the top, how muddy and dirty it is. So I'm going to keep washing it down. I'm just going to give it a quick rinse, and then I'll put some soap, some Dawn soap, to loosen up anything else that's on there, and then I'll wash it off again.